Installing the Thinkware U3000 dashcam on an Audi S6 is more than a simple car accessory project. It's an investment in clarity, security, and high-tech driving confidence. The Audi S6 already stands as a symbol of luxury performance, a blend of precision German engineering, smooth power delivery, and advanced design language. But even with all of its factory technology, one essential modern tool completes the picture: a premium dash camera system. The Thinkware U3000, known for its impeccable dual-channel 4K recording and intelligent driver assistance features, fits perfectly into this performance sedan, both in aesthetics and capability. The installation process begins long before the first screw is loosened. It starts with understanding what the U3000 brings to the table. As one of Thinkware's flagship models, it features a 4K UHD front camera and a 2K QHD rear camera, both powered by Sony Starvis 2 sensors that excel in low light and dynamic range situations. The device records crisp detail whether you're driving through bright city streets, tunnels, or the moody twilight roads the S6 was made for. With built-in radar detection, Super Night Vision 3.0, and parking surveillance mode, it captures not just the drive, it protects the car when parked too. Preparation is key. In an installation like this, the goal is to make the dashcam feel like it belongs. No messy wires, no obstructed views, no compromises on the Audi's clean interior lines. The best approach involves using a hardwiring kit to connect the U3000 directly to the vehicle's fuse box. This not only keeps the setup tidy but also enables advanced features such as motion-triggered recording and time-lapse parking mode, which rely on continuous power. The process begins by choosing the ideal placement for the front unit. On the Audi S6, the prime position is right behind the rearview mirror, just below the dotted sunshade area. This placement ensures the wide 156-degree lens captures a perfect unobstructed field of view while remaining discreet from the driver's perspective. After cleaning the windshield with the provided alcohol wipe, the 3M adhesive mount is attached firmly to hold the camera in place. Careful alignment ensures the horizon stays level, a small but vital detail when you want perfectly balanced footage. Next comes routing the power cable. For many, this is where the challenge begins. The cable runs along the headliner, down the A-pillar, and toward the passenger side fuse box. With the Audi S6, attention to detail is crucial. The airbag system hides behind the A-pillar, so the cable must be tucked in neatly without interfering. Many professionals use a plastic trim tool to gently lift the lining and slide the cable behind it, preserving the factory-fresh look. Once at the fuse box, the hard-wiring kit connects using add-a-fuse adapters, one for constant power and another for switched ignition power. This dual connection enables the U3000 to recognize when the vehicle is on or off, automatically switching between driving and parking modes. After securing the ground wire to a metal bolt on the chassis, the system powers up for its first test. The Thinkware U3000's voice prompt confirms successful boot up. The LED indicators flash as it initializes, and within seconds the camera starts recording. The Thinkware mobile app allows quick configuration through Wi-Fi, a convenient feature that turns any smartphone into a control center. From here, users can update firmware, adjust video resolution, enable radar detection, or fine-tune sensitivity settings for motion and impact. Once the front unit is functional, it's time to install the rear camera. The rear setup is equally important for comprehensive coverage. The Audi S6's sloping rear glass provides an ideal mounting surface. The rear cable, a slim coaxial cord, runs from the front unit through the headliner, following the same routing principle. It passes through the rubber grommet that connects the body to the trunk lid, which protects it from pinching or wear. The rear camera attaches using another 3M pad, aligned centrally to ensure perfect framing of trailing vehicles. With both cameras installed, cable management becomes the unsung hero of a professional finish. Every inch of excess wiring is neatly tucked behind panels or secured with soft clips. When done right, no one can tell the system is aftermarket. It feels integrated, as though Audi engineered it themselves. The Thinkware U3000 doesn't just record, it interacts with the environment. Its radar system can detect motion even before an object enters the camera frame, preparing it to record pre-event footage. This is particularly valuable for parking surveillance. Imagine leaving the S6 in a crowded lot, another car reverses dangerously close, and the U3000's radar wakes the system to capture the approach even before contact occurs. That proactive technology differentiates it from ordinary dash cams. Performance is another aspect where the pairing with the Audi S6 feels natural. The car's twin-turbocharged V6 produces exhilarating acceleration, and during spirited driving, stability and precision matter. The U3000's built-in image stabilization and wide dynamic range ensure footage remains clear, even during sudden light transitions or vibrations. Every shift, every downforce moment, every tunnel echo, all captured in cinematic clarity that matches the S6's personality. When testing playback through the Thinkware viewer software, the benefits of 4K resolution become obvious. License plates, lane markings, and road textures are rendered with incredible precision. The rear camera complements the front view with its 2K sharpness, covering angles that traditional rear-view mirrors miss. The recordings not only provide peace of mind for insurance purposes, but also let enthusiasts relive the beauty of their drives. Beyond recording, Thinkware's Cloud 2.0 service introduces connected intelligence. By linking the dashcam to a Wi-Fi hotspot or smartphone tether, owners can access live view monitoring, vehicle location tracking, and impact notifications remotely. For Audi S6 owners who travel frequently or park in public spaces, this means always staying connected to their car. In case of an incident, the system automatically sends an alert with video evidence to the registered device. At this stage of the installation, fine-tuning begins. The lens angles are adjusted to balance sky and road proportion, roughly 40% sky and 60% road for optimal composition. Exposure settings are reviewed to handle night reflections from headlights or license plate glare. The U3000's HDR algorithm minimizes overexposure, maintaining accurate color tones under bright and dim conditions alike. And then there's audio. Many users overlook the microphone, but the Thinkware system includes a sensitive mic that captures ambient sound and conversations. While this may seem minor, it can be crucial in verifying context during an event. Some prefer to disable it for privacy, others leave it on for full documentation. The final step is firmware optimization and test driving. With everything powered and calibrated, a brief city and highway loop verifies operation. The camera records continuously, parking mode engages when the ignition is off, and radar sensors respond as expected. The installation concludes not just as a technical success, but as an integration of technology and craftsmanship. The result is a seamless blend of innovation and automotive elegance. The Thinkware U3000 enhances what the Audi S6 already represents: precision, safety, and sophistication. It doesn't add clutter, it adds confidence. It transforms every drive into a documented journey, ensuring that every moment behind the wheel is captured with the same excellence that defines the S6 itself. Once the Thinkware U3000 is fully mounted and calibrated in the Audi S6, the transformation becomes apparent not just in functionality, but in how the entire driving experience feels elevated. A dashcam may appear like a simple accessory to the casual observer, but the integration of this intelligent system into such a refined vehicle reveals how technology can enhance security, awareness, and even aesthetics. The U3000 feels right at home within the S6. Both share a commitment to precision and innovation. Every component of the Thinkware U3000 has a purpose that complements the Audi's engineering philosophy. The sleek matte black finish of the camera aligns perfectly with the modern interior design language of the S6. It's minimalistic yet assertive, mirroring the way Audi's ambient lighting system softly highlights cabin contours. The cables, once tucked neatly behind the trim, leave no visual distraction. What remains is a clean, integrated appearance that makes the device look factory-installed rather than aftermarket. The moment the car starts, the dashcam powers up automatically. Its startup chime is subtle, followed by a voice confirmation, starting normal recording.
The blue LED indicator glows softly, signaling readiness.
This small interaction becomes part of the car's ignition ritual, like the way the Audi's virtual cockpit screen awakens, or the gentle hum of the engine at idle. It adds a futuristic rhythm to the start of every drive. As the vehicle rolls onto the road, the U3000 immediately begins capturing the world through its ultra-wide lens. At 4K resolution, every detail of the asphalt, reflections on nearby vehicles, and subtle changes in lighting are recorded with cinematic clarity. Audi drivers, who value both performance and refinement, find satisfaction in knowing that every mile is documented with precision. It's not just about having evidence in case of incidents. It's about preserving the essence of each journey: the winding roads, the city lights, the passing rain, all stored as 4K memories. The Thinkware U3000 is not just a recorder but a guardian. During the drive, its advanced driver assistance features actively monitor the road. Lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts are delivered gently through sound prompts, assisting the driver without intruding on the experience. It's a subtle safety layer, much like Audi's built-in driver assistance systems, but this one adds an independent eye, always observing, always ready. In city environments, the radar detection and proximity sensors prove invaluable. When the S6 stops at a red light, the U3000 continues to analyze its surroundings. If motion is detected within its range, it automatically pre-records a few seconds before and after the movement. This predictive recording system ensures that nothing is missed, whether it's a pedestrian crossing, a cyclist appearing suddenly, or a car pulling too close. The Thinkware cloud connectivity further strengthens the security net. For Audi owners who enjoy smart features, the cloud integration is a game changer. Through the Thinkware app, one can access live footage, track the vehicle's GPS location, and even receive push notifications if the car experiences impact while parked. Imagine parking your Audi S6 at a shopping center. Hours later, a careless driver brushes against it. Instantly, your phone receives an alert with a recorded clip of the moment. That's not just convenience, it's peace of mind built on modern intelligence. The installation also opens up the U3000's advanced parking mode, which becomes a vital feature for premium cars like the S6 that often draw attention. This mode can be customized, motion detection, time-lapse, or radar-based triggers, depending on the user's preference. The radar sensor, in particular, is revolutionary. It allows the camera to detect motion before actual visual movement occurs, significantly reducing unnecessary recordings while saving storage and battery. When an event does happen, the pre-buffer ensures the moments leading up to it are captured. One of the most impressive elements is the image quality in varying lighting conditions. Audi interiors are known for their contrast: dark leather, brushed aluminum, and soft ambient glows, and the Thinkware sensor adapts beautifully. Driving through tunnels, underground parking lots, or during sunset transitions, the U3000 maintains balanced exposure and accurate color representation. The HDR technology smooths out harsh contrasts, keeping both highlights and shadows clear. For night drives, Super Night Vision 3.0 takes over, boosting brightness and reducing noise in low-light environments. Paired with the S6's adaptive LED headlights, the result is stunning clarity even on unlit country roads. License plates, street signs, and reflections on wet roads appear distinctly visible, an essential advantage when every second counts in reviewing an incident. Another notable advantage is the voice notification system. Instead of cryptic beeps, the U3000 uses clear human voice prompts for alerts like recording started, radar detected motion, or memory card error. This makes the experience user-friendly and intuitive. It's one of those small design choices that reflects Thinkware's attention to user experience, just like Audi's MMI system simplifies control through natural design logic. As the test drive continues, the user begins to appreciate how seamlessly the dashcam integrates into daily routines. Whenever the S6 is parked, the U3000 silently switches into guard mode. Its LED indicator blinks subtly, an unspoken sign of protection. Even when the ignition is off, the hardwiring kit ensures the camera stays alert, powered through the constant fuse. A built-in voltage monitoring system prevents the car's battery from draining, automatically shutting the camera off if power dips below a safe level. This fusion of performance and protection creates a sense of empowerment. Many car enthusiasts view their vehicles as personal sanctuaries, spaces of precision, luxury, and control. The Thinkware U3000 strengthens the bond by offering visibility and accountability in every scenario. Whether cruising at highway speeds or parked overnight, the owner knows the system is quietly documenting, analyzing, and safeguarding. When reviewing the footage on a computer or smartphone, the difference between ordinary and premium becomes clear. The 4K front recording displays sharp textures on the road, every lane marking, every distant headlight, every architectural reflection on glass. The rear footage offers dynamic depth, capturing following vehicles and intersections with equal sharpness. The Thinkware viewer interface allows simultaneous playback of front and rear perspectives, synchronized perfectly. This dual recording feels cinematic. It turns routine commutes into beautifully documented experiences. Beyond its primary role of recording, the dashcam adds a storytelling dimension. For those who enjoy scenic drives, weekend road trips, or track day experiences, the Thinkware U3000 doubles as a high-quality onboard camera. It allows enthusiasts to relive the thrill of an open highway or share clips from a mountain drive, all recorded with professional-grade visuals. Audi S6 owners often appreciate refinement and detail, and the U3000's interface mirrors that philosophy. Its mobile app offers customizable settings, changing exposure levels, enabling speed display on recordings, adjusting radar sensitivity, or toggling parking modes. Every preference can be tailored, and firmware updates ensure the system stays current with the latest enhancements. The synergy between the U3000 and the Audi S6 ultimately creates a driving ecosystem that blends mechanical power with digital intelligence. Each complements the other. The S6 delivers motion mastery, while the U3000 ensures every moment of that motion is preserved with precision.